Every week, people get thrown off cruise ships, escorted back to cabin, packed up, and dropped at the next port. Sometimes in a country they've never set foot in, with no way home. And almost every one of them is banned from that cruise line for good. That ban usually covers every ship the company owns, too. Here's the part that should worry you. Most of them weren't criminals. They just broke a rule they figured didn't really matter. One bad night, one stupid photo, one lit cigarette, and a vacation they saved a whole year was over. The crew has no patience left for these 7 things. Cross the line, and you're gone at the next stop. It won't matter how much you paid for the cabin. You're about to learn all 7 of them. And number 7 can land you in a foreign jail, not just on the dock. Stick around, because almost everyone has done at least one of these. Number 1. Drinking way too much. Let's start with the number 1 reason people get removed. Drinking too much. A cruise makes it dangerously easy to overdo it. The drinks are everywhere, and that package feels bottomless. But the crew watches the alcohol closer than you'd think. They track it across the ship from one bar to the next. It's not that they care whether you're having fun. It's that a falling down drunk is a real danger on a moving ship. Bartenders are trained to cut people off, and they will. Push past that, and security shows up fast. Get loud, get aggressive, or get sick in public, and you're flagged. Do it twice, and you're finished. They'll put you off at the very next port. People have been left in foreign countries over one bad night at the bar, and sometimes a whole group goes down with one member. So have your fun. Just pace yourself. Drink some water, eat real meals, and know your limit. The ship is no place to set a personal record. The crew watches this exact scene play out on almost every sailing. This next one can cost you hundreds before they even remove you. Number 2. Smoking where you're not allowed. This one catches people off guard every single cruise. You can't just light up anywhere on a ship. Not in your cabin. Not out on your balcony. Smoking is allowed in a few marked spots, and that's it. Usually the casino and a couple of open deck areas. The reason behind it is dead serious. Fire is the single biggest danger out at sea. A cigarette on a balcony can blow right back inside and catch. That's exactly how some of the worst cruise fires are started. So the rules are strict and the fines are brutal. Get caught smoking in your cabin, and you're looking at hundreds. A cleaning fee of $250 is pretty standard. Some lines have bumped that number even higher lately. Do it again, and they can put you off the ship entirely. And yes, vaping counts too in most cabins. Balcony smoke drifts into the next room, and people will report it. If you smoke, just walk to the designated area every time. It's a short walk that saves your wallet and the whole ship. There are thousands of lives riding on that one rule. This next mistake is the one people do for a photo. Number 3. Climbing or sitting on the railings. This is the one that ends a vacation in a matter of seconds. People climb up on the railings to get a photo. They perch on the balcony rail. They lean way out over the edge. Some even try to climb across to the next balcony. Cruise lines have flat-out zero tolerance for any of it, and it's not hard to see why. One slip, one gust of wind, and you're in the water. At night, nobody would even see you go over. A few drinks and a low rail in the dark is the deadliest combo on the ship. So the second security spots you on a railing, you're done. No warning. No second chance. They'll stop you the instant they see it. No discussion. Then they remove you at the next port and ban you for life. No photo on Earth is worth your life or your trip. Keep your feet on the deck and your body behind the rail. This next one gets people banned over a single careless moment. Number 4. Throwing anything overboard. This one sounds tiny, and it's a massive deal. Tossing anything at all off the ship and into the ocean. A cigarette butt, a plastic cup, leftover food off the balcony. It feels harmless. It's the opposite. Throwing things overboard is treated as a serious offense at sea. Part of that is the environment, and the law is strict about it. The other part is plain safety. Anything dropped from a high deck can hurt someone down below. It can also get sucked straight into the ship's systems. So cruise lines treat it like the railings, with zero tolerance. Cameras cover almost every open deck these days. and other passengers will absolutely report you. Plenty do. Flick a cigarette off your balcony, and you can be gone. People have been banned for life over a single paper cup. Whatever goes over the side is gone, and so is your cruise. So whatever you bring out on deck, carry it back inside. This next mistake gets people removed before the ship even moves. Number 5. Skipping the muster drill. Before the ship sails, there's a quick safety drill. It's called a muster drill, and it is not optional. You head to your station and learn where to go in an emergency. It takes a few minutes, and a lot of people try to dodge it. Big mistake. On most ships now, you watch part of it on the app, then check in at your station. The whole thing is required by maritime law. The ship legally cannot leave until enough people have done it. So when you skip it, the crew comes hunting for you. They'll page your name over the entire ship. Ignore them long enough, and you can be removed before it even sails. You would lose your whole cruise over a 5-minute drill. Skip it, and you are holding up thousands of other passengers. Just show up, scan your card, listen, and you're free to go. It's easily the simplest rule on this entire list. There's no good reason to dodge a 5-minute safety briefing. This next mistake turns one heated moment into a lifetime ban. Number 6. Getting into a fight. Put thousands of strangers and a lot of alcohol in one place. Tempers flare. It happens. But throwing a punch on a cruise ship is a disaster. Out at sea, there are no local police to come sort it out. Security handles all of it, and they move fast. And it's not just punches. Verbal threats can count too. Get physical with another guest, and you're both probably off the ship. Get aggressive with a crew member, and it's even uglier. That can mean removal, a lifetime ban, and a call to the authorities. You could be handed straight to the police at a foreign port. A foreign legal system is a terrifying way to end a vacation. And it all started with one argument you just couldn't drop. Walking away isn't weakness. At sea, it's the smart play. So if things get heated, step back and report instead. Let security be the ones to wade in. Once they log the incident, that record can follow you to other lines. This last mistake is the one that can actually put you in jail. Number 7. Getting caught with illegal drugs. Here's the one that blindsides people completely. Bringing drugs onto a cruise ship, and that includes marijuana and CBD. It doesn't matter one bit that they're legal back in your state. On a ship, you fall under federal and international law instead. Cruise lines run drug screening, and their tolerance is 0. Sniffer dogs sometimes work the terminal before you've even boarded. Get caught, and the trip ends right there. You're removed and banned from the whole cruise line for life. With drugs, there's no warning and no second chance. But it can get so much worse than a ban. In foreign waters or at a foreign port, you answer to their laws. Some countries hand out brutal sentences for the smallest amount. People have been arrested overseas over a single gummy. That's how a dream trip becomes a nightmare you can't take back. So leave anything questionable at home. No exceptions. Even a vape pen with the wrong cartridge can set it all off. No high on earth is worth a foreign prison cell. And that's the last of the 7. So before your next cruise, remember what keeps you on board. Pace the drinking and know your limit. Smoke only in the marked areas. Keep your body off the railings. Never throw a thing overboard. Show up for the muster drill. Walk away from any fight. And leave anything illegal at home. None of these are hard rules to live by. And the crew would always rather warn you than remove you. It all comes down to one simple idea. A cruise ship is a small city with strict laws of its own. Respect them, and you'll have the time of your life. For everyone who plays by them, cruising is overwhelmingly safe and fun. Ignore them, and you might be the one watching the ship leave without you. Tell me in the comments which rule surprised you the most. And if you've ever watched someone get removed, drop the story below. Subscribe for more cruise tips the booking sites won't show you.